Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I decided to do a part 2 of my favorite things since the last one was so well received. Now, it's not about just clothing and storage this time. I threw in a few extra things here because I thought maybe these things might be helpful or interesting to others out there. And if this one is well viewed and people like it, I'll continue on these things as I find new things to share with you guys. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is the shampoo that I use and conditioner. So this is a company named Attitude, I believe, or Super Leaves. I'm not quite sure what they go by. And I use the color because I do color my hair, and their conditioner. This is $9.99 in my grocery store, and they claim that they're natural care and they're vegan, and I wash my hair every day, so I need something something gentle and also color related for my hair. And yes, I know you're not supposed to wash your hair every day, but it's gross. I run, it's sweaty, it's gross. I need to wash it every day. If I don't wash it every day, it gets very flat because even the slightest bit of dirt weighs it down because it's very thin and fine. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Each bottle is $9.99 each in my particular grocery store, and I believe, yeah, they're a Canadian company that makes this. So I don't know what it would cost by you, but I definitely like this and I would recommend it. All right, the next thing, you're gonna laugh, but this saved me when I hurt my back, okay? My mother-in-law recommended this to me. This is a massaging heating pad. You literally put it around your waist, you plug it in, it has a pretty long wire to plug in, and there's two different vibrations on it, two different intensities, and then you can have heat or you cannot have heat on it. And when I hurt my back, I had this on all day, and it made sitting in that chair tolerable for me. I got this on Amazon. Anything I can link, I'll put the links below. If I find my shampoo on Amazon, I'll link it. But no guarantees, and no guarantees it's gonna be that $9.99 price that I get at my local grocery store. But yeah, highly recommend this heating pad, and yeah, it's like literally wraps around your back like that, and it made my life tolerable. Another thing that made my life tolerable, and this is not something I can link, but I wanted to let people know because I know there are a few of you that suffer from back pain. These are prescription, okay? The name is diclofenac epilamine topical patch. These are not, they're also known by Flector is the name brand. This is the generic. They also will give you, let's see, a prescription you need for your doctor. This is not over the counter. And I highly recommend this. This is better than the Lidocaine patches, and it takes the edge off completely when my back was out. So highly recommend these. If you have chronic back pain, you might want to talk to your doctor, maybe when you have like a flare-up or something like that, be able to use something like this. So that's another thing. All right, next thing, you're gonna laugh at me, but it is my sweater shaver. I know most people have one of these, but if you don't, you should have one. It was like 15, 20 bucks on Amazon. Again, I'll try and find the link below. They call it a lint remover, but it's the thing that picks the little pills off your sweaters. Highly recommend. Every household has something like that. Next item. You're gonna laugh at me. I know everybody knows about this. It's the magic eraser. If you don't have any on hand, go out and get them. Everybody has them pretty much, and you probably already know about the magic erasers, but I even used this once to clean off like scuff marks and dirt on suede shoes. So these things can do anything. Highly recommend that every household has a magic eraser. Next item I wanted to show you that is a little bit different, and you're like, why would I need that? Is this handheld pressurized steam cleaner. Like, why do I need that? Well, if you have ceramic tile floors, I pour on vinegar and I put down baking soda, I let it sit a little bit, and then I use the steamer, and the dirt comes right out of the grout. I mean, my tiles are like an off-white and my grout is white, so you can only imagine. And it's a massive project, and I do it about once a year around the holidays, and this thing works. It gets all the stuff out of the grout. I also use this in the shower, like if you have mold and mildew, especially like underneath the shower door where it like lines up. You go in there with the steamer, you wouldn't believe what kind of stuff comes out of there. So highly recommend the steamer where it has like a little nozzle like this where you can get in the crevices or get in the grooves of the tile. So it has to be this kind of steamer, not the kind that you steam your clothes with. And I don't remember the cost of this, but I think it was about 50 bucks. And again, I got it at Amazon. Highly recommend, and I'll put that in the links below. And that is it for my favorite items. As I come across new items to share with you, I will share them. But yeah, that's it. And take care. And until next time.